Hello everybody, Jordan Nelson here. Today we're going to talk about the focus setting that I use for every single wedding that I shoot. So my Sony A7 III, the two options here are focus mode and focus area. So for the focus mode, I always keep it on continuous focus. And for the focus area, I always keep it on center focus. That's because I know exactly what's going to be in focus. If I choose wide, then the camera is going to choose whatever it thinks is the best to be in focus, which most of the time the Sony A7 III is probably going to be right. But I know whatever's in the middle of the frame is going to be in focus when I have that center focus area enabled. So the only other time I would need to change this focus setting is specifically when I don't want the subject in the middle of the frame. For example, in this particular shot, my subject, the bridesmaid, is in focus because I tapped on my screen to lock on that part of the frame to be in focus instead of my center area. Because if I did my center area, then she would not be in focus at all. And I didn't want her to be in the center of the frame because the right of the frame would have just been a wall and the left of the frame, there wouldn't have been enough stuff going on there. So I thought the best way to frame out that shot would be have her on the right so I can kind of see the couple and a bunch of other people over there on the left. So I made sure that I tapped on my screen to set the focus area onto the bridesmaid giving the speech. And then when she was done, I just went ahead and pressed enter, the middle button on my Sony A7 III, and it was back to the center area focus again. Those are the only two changes I ever make to my focus area, is if I need to tap on the screen so that the center of the frame isn't the only thing that's going to be in focus. So that's how I use my autofocus during the course of a wedding day. It's absolutely not the one best way to do it, but it's the way that I use, and maybe it's an option you can look into to use for your wedding videography as well. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video.